Hello everybody, today I am going to share a super duper tips for all Android user. Today we will learn how to make this kind of text growing effect by using of Android. First of all, download a light motion application from Google or Play Store. After installation, open it. Now create a project by clicking this plus icon. Choose any aspect ratio as your requirements. Select highest resolution and frame rate for better result. Select your expected image or video. You can use directly this green screen if you want this text effect file anywhere by using chroma key. To fit the image, select this option. Now I'm going to pick a black blurry image to show the text layer more attractive. It's optional. If you want this, you can collect it from this video's description box. Rotate it at 90 degrees. Then expand by using your two finger like me. Right here, what you want to. Use any signature type font. For use mine, at first collect it from this video's description box. Then import the text file as like shown. Increase font size. Choose color. Set its position. Expand all elements' length as your demand by dragging right. Select text layer, then click on Effect option. Select Drawing an Edge. Pick Drawing Progress. Click on End. Move the work area bar in beginning of text layer. Click once on this plus icon. Click again just before the end of the text layer. Now go to the first one. Then make it 0 by dragging left. Done, that's all. Let's play. See what a beautiful text effect has been made. After all, exported at high resolution.
I tried for you. Tell me why you left me bleeding. I died for you. I cried for you. I tried for you. Tell me why you left me try.